Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today we have this Lotus. It's a very, very difficult car to wrap. Why? Because of the shape, the panels are one piece. The boys are going to have a nightmare wrapping this. But I hope you enjoy this video.
Car's short, man. It's short wheelbase, short everything. And the way that this car is, there's nothing actually at the front, so the engine's in the rear. So what's happening is as we're lifting the vehicle up, it's just going, it's doing a wheelie basically. So because the engine's quite heavy, nothing at the front, and the jacking points for this are halfway, it just wants to tilt up. So we're going to try and work around it, try and sort something out.
Yeah. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always?
We have a good tune with this shit.
Why don't you see? Ooh, trying to call you Telly.
Morning guys, Andrew here from Yiannimize. Up next we've got this Lotus Elise. The boys are just getting the panels clean now to start wrapping it. And now looking at this car you'd think, okay, it's a small car, shouldn't be too much grief. But this in fact is a really intricate and difficult car to wrap. And one of the difficulties you'll see with this car is that it's what we call an eggshell. It's all one panel. Not only that, other things we're going to have trouble with is door shuts, the levers. So it's going to be a real struggle for Mike and Pav to strip the car so the boys are able to get into those deep recesses. But here we go.
Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Trying to get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Ooh.
So back again with the stickers and bits. So on the Lotus, it came with a couple of stickers on the back, and obviously where we're wrapping it, we have to take all the stickers off and replace them. But the only issue I've got is the fact that some of the stickers on the back I can't find the logo for on the internet. Therefore, I'm having to like vectorize a photo and stuff. It's long, but yeah, cracking on.
Kieran, you helping, yeah? Well, you're holding the vinyl just like this. You're a great help, you are. Valued member of staff right there.
So I'm about to tint this rear screen on the Lotus. Never done one before, so it's gonna be a bit challenging. Done the sides, I got only this one left. Yeah, the shape of it, and it's quite hidden, so I don't really know how to approach this one. Pav had to take the seat out because it was bolted to the floor, didn't move. So yeah, I'm not having a look now, trying to figure out how to start it. That's gonna be challenging. Done? Finished? That would be so good if it's done now.
So here we have it. The Lotus Elise is finished in matte dark grey. Looks great. It was a challenging car, but the boys I think have done an incredible job. So I love this car. Let us know what you think in the comments. Until next time, see you soon.